To use the simple identities in Trigo equations, okay, so first you have to observe. The question have a sine square and a cos. The cosine is the most basic function already, so you cannot do this. But can you change sine square? Yes, you can change sine square to 1 minus cos square. These are given, okay, but you must know how to use them. Seldom we use this. We always say that sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Or the other way around, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay? Replace the sine square by 1 minus cos square. I will have 2 bracket 1 minus cos square theta minus cos, sorry, x. We are using x. X minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now everything is in terms of cosine, right? I can either expand first, 2 minus 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Then I let cos x be equals to y. 2 minus 2y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Bring everything to the right side. 2y square plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Factorize this. 2y and then y, 1 and then 1. I want to have a positive y, so plus minus equals to 0. I will have y equals to half or y equals to negative 1. Remember to put it back. Cosine x equals to half or cosine x equals to negative 1. Again, I use the basic angle equals to inverse cosine half. That will give me 60 degree. Okay, x is in the first quadrant 60 degree and the fourth quadrant 300 degree. For this, when cosine x equals to negative 1, it is only 180 degree. Remember to consolidate all your answers. X equals to 60 degree, 180 degree, and 300 degree. Okay, so this is using the first identity. All right, then next, how do I know when do I need to use the other identities? Again, always observe that 3 tangent square, okay, 3 over tangent square. So when you tangent square is a denominator, means it's a reciprocal. This will become 1 plus 3 cotangent square x equals to 5 cosecant x. Alright, so what you need to do is the same thing. So look at the cotangent square. Cotangent square is equals to cosecant square x minus 1. 1 plus 3 cosecant square x minus 1 equals to 5 cosecant x. Same thing, you let y be equals to cosecant x. I will have 1 plus 3y square minus 3 minus 5y equals to 0. 3y square minus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. If your quadratic cannot factorize nicely, it means something is wrong. Okay, 2 minus plus 1 equals to 0. And once you got to this part, the rest is just solving Trigo equation. Y equals to negative 1/3 or y equals to 2. Cosecant x equals to negative 1/3 or cosecant x equals to 2. Flip it around, sine x equals to negative 3. This one no solution because the minimum value of a sine curve is negative 1. Okay, sine x equals to half. First and second quadrant basic angle is equals to cosine inverse half, that's 30 degree. So your x is equals to 30 degree and 150